Checking out this 2025 2500 heavy duty Tradesman with the Power Wagon Package. Check out this beast, man. Look at that. This one's cool because it comes with the right here. You can see it in there. Right there. Wow, check it out, man. Now, this is a beast of a truck, man. Look at this. Every single angle you're looking at is nothing but beast. Look at this. This is the Power Wagon. You get this. You get the shocks and everything in here, ready for off-road. You get the big tires. These are 33s, but you could get, bigger. You can see a lot of space there. You got the black 17s, Got the flare fender right here, Got a big old muffler back there, Look at that. It's all black on black, this one right here. 4x4, everything, man. This one comes with you can put your step out if you want. That way you can get up easier. If you need to get up a little easier, you get up with that right there. It sticks out. So I know it was a lot more easier to get up. This one comes with the reverse cam, of course. It came with the bed liner. This is awesome. It comes with the outlet, so you can plug in right there. You have a voltage right there you can plug out. This is awesome. You have already some lights back here, LED lights right here, so you can light it up at night on both sides. You have it ready for strap down right here, strap down over there. It comes with quick width even on the bottom. And this one comes with the bed liner. It didn't come with the, you have to hold it down, but bro, it's not even that heavy, bro. It doesn't even come down that fast. It's so lightweight. Check it out, man. This is a nice truck, man. Look at that. Huge. Especially with that Power Wagon package. It lifts it up even more. You're gonna get front and back. Look at that, man. Ready for off-road. Check it out. Has all that for you, ready to go. Check out the bottom. Other way. Take a look at the inside here in a second. Showing you the outside right now. Has the mirrors on the side, so that way you get the signal has it on there, the lights on top. Look at that, man. So it's more beefier, man. Look at that, 2500. That's awesome. HD, man. Has LED lights in the front. Look at that. Has sensors in the front and the back and on the sides. Look at that. Lift it up. Ready for everything. Got the cable. Somebody gets stuck, you ready to pull them out. Look at that. Got that metal frame, man. Front and back. Metal frame. Look at that. Metal frame in the back. Has the window in the middle. It opens up right there for you. Has the big mirrors. Perfect for the back and front. Now these do pull out. They do pull out like that if you're gonna tow. See that? And then you can just push them back forward. There you go. And push them back. Comes with window tint, but probably might get another window tint. That's the outside, man. This truck is amazing. Look how big it is. Look at that. That's amazing. let's take a look in the inside. Let's go. Start off with the back seats. This is the back door. You know, it's just, you know, plastic. Got a cover here. You put your cell phone here in the back when you're in the back carport. It does come with these right here, the mats. That's awesome. You already have them. So you get ready for off-road, get them dirty, rain, anything, mud, sand, you're ready to go. This does lift up, but all together, there's their wrench thing right there, so you can hook it up. But it does come up, but all together, it's not separate. You have some cup holders right there. Doesn't come forward, like forward for the back, and doesn't have a seat in the middle. But the cup holders right here. Doesn't have any power cords right here, just for the AC, and that's it. And then no cup holders here either in the back, and then no thing to hold your cell phone in. But tons of room back here, guys, just tons of room. All right, let's check out the inside. There is a light right there. There's this the thing to open up in the back. Let's go ahead and go in front. All right, here's a look at the front. This is the doors right here. Plastic again. Has a good sound system. Another thing to hold your cell phone. Buttons right here. You got your automatic lights, and then AC unit. Another same thing. The power right there. You got the for mud and everything. This one right here. You got the cup holders. Right here. A lot of room right there. What is that? All right, a lot of room inside there. It does come with the car power outlet. Let me go ahead and check that out for you. I'll get up here. It's real high, super high, and there's no rails right now. But let's check it. Go ahead and turn it on. Check it out. Whew, there we go. It's hot here. There you go. That's the gauges. Now it does come with the big screen with all your apps, all your everything on here. Navigation system. It's pretty massive on here, as you can tell. The music, everything. Big screen, AC unit, good, great. Here's all your switches for the car, for the all-wheel drive, you know, front, rear, back rear, the axle, all kinds of stuff, all the bells and whistles. Here's your cruise control, both of them. This is regular cruise control, and this is the cruise control that will slow down when there's vehicles in front of you and when they get out of the way, it will keep going faster. It'll speed up to your level. This is the other stuff right here, your controls, and another some more stuff right here. Just it has an old school thing, they bring it back. Sorry about that. Let me see what else. It has all these right here, all your parking sensors and everything, all that. It has 3 cup holders, which is pretty cool. It has the inside right here. It doesn't have the middle piece because this does go up, and you have another whole seat, so you can fit 6 people in here, which is cool. You know, you lose this thing, but you can add an extra person, so that's awesome. You have all this right here. You can keep your cell phone or anything there, right here, and then it has the inner part right here where you could keep more stuff in right there if you want to keep stuff in. And here's all your USB Type-C and the regular ones. This is the other side right here. You can put stuff in there. I actually like that. I don't like the cover because I want to be able to grab it right away and throw it in right away, so I like this better. And then it has still, you know, your glove department area. So I actually love this. I don't like the cover. I don't know why, but does this have this up here? You can put your cell phone right here, put your sunglasses over there, and then it has another outlet right here. Right, and then up here you have your lights and everything. Then you have the controller for the window in the back. This one doesn't come with the mirror on this side, but it does come with the mirror on this side. Let me see. if you put down the seat, this is the inside, and you do have the power outage right here where you could open it up, have some more power right there. It's cool. And then so with that, what else? Other side is pretty much the same thing. Seats are real comfortable. A lot of room back there in the back. It's awesome. Got that window. All right, so I wanted to show you they have the towing trailer and off-road package. So you have all your things here that you need for the gauges. You have your front axle locker, your sway bar. You have everything here that shows you what you can lock on here. So it breaks it down for you, everything. So if you're gonna lock sticks, unlock it, your sway bar, it's gonna say it all right here. Then it has all your gauges right there, and then it has your pitch and your roll right there. You can see it all on there. So it has pretty much everything, even towing. You have towing like your trailers and stuff like that. It has all that in there for you. Camera controls, rear cam. You can see it right there. Shows a lot. Oh, hold on. Controls, mirror damper, camera damper. But that's pretty cool that it gives you the function to do all your settings and see all your gauges and do all your off-wheel locking, locker, sway bar. Anything else y'all want to know about this truck, leave it in the comments below, and I'll do a video on it so I can check it out. All right, thanks for watching.